Welcome to video lecture on data structures. Myself, Dr. Shubha S., Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Government First Grade College, Malleshwaram, Bangalore, would like to present this video lecture. In this video lecture, you will learn about what is a priority queue, its characteristics or the features, example with few applications. So what is priority queue? We know that a queue has two ends, the front end and the rear end. So insertion into the queue happens in the rear end and the deletion happens from the front end. So priority queue, it is a type of queue where we are able to insert the items or remove items from any position depending on some property. Some of the characteristics of a priority queue is that each element in a priority queue has an additional information called priority associated with it. So in a priority queue, an element with higher priority will be served before an element that has lower priority. And if two elements in a priority queue have the same priority, then they will be processed as per the first in, first out principle. So here is an example which shows how a priority queue works. Now in the diagram, we see the priority queue of jobs waiting to use the printer on a LAN system. Now here the properties of 1, 2, 3 and 4 have been attached to the jobs of supervisors S, teachers T, students ST and outsider as O users. Now if any job with priority P is initiated, then it is inserted immediately at the end of the queue of jobs with the priority P. So here in the example shown, the jobs are removed from the front of the queue. So in general, we can say that a priority queue is a series of queues. The diagram here can be visualized as four separate queues and each follow the first in, first out principle. Now the elements in the second queue, that is the teacher's queue, jobs are sent or removed to the printer only when the first queue, that is the supervisor's queue, become empty. And similarly, the student's queue, that is the third queue, gets initiated only when the jobs in the first and the second queue becomes zero, and so on. So some of the applications of this priority queue is that it is used in Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm and it is used in Prim's algorithm. Also, it is used in data compression techniques like the Hoffman's code, used in heap sort, and in traffic light, depending on the traffic, the colors will be given the priority. And it is also used in the operating systems like the priority scheduling, load balancing, and interrupts handling. So these are some of the applications which you have seen. Now that we have come to the end of this video session, I hope you have understood the concepts of the priority queue, how it works, and its application. And in my next video session, you will learn about the various operations on queues and its applications. Thank you for listening.